Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can check your markets on the Shopify website. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply, we have to go to the Shopify website, and after going to the Shopify website, simply we need to go to the settings, and after going to the settings, as you can see, you have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, you will get the markets option here. So we have to click on the markets. So as you can see, it has the Pakistan primary, and this is the international markets share of total sales and the conversion rate. You will be able to get these all details here. Now if you want to add a market, then you have to click on the add a markets, and after clicking on this, as you can see, now you will get some other regions as well. For example, I'm going to search for the North America. So if you, for example, I'm going to choose this one and this one, and after doing selecting these both, I'm going to click on the add market, and as you can see, North America name required. So let's click on the North, and then simply add market, and after clicking on the add, it will be added in your market section. So as you can see, now they are also added. We have to make some changings as well, so we have to wait for a few seconds until it aids. So let's go to the settings, and now let's go to the markets, and let's check out this. So as you can see, as a note, and these both rates are provided here, the share of total sales and the conversion rate. So if you want to add other new markets, you can also do that. If you want to check out the preferences, you can also do that. So as you can see, conversation rate and the language and redirection, you can also add this, and some other settings are provided here. So in this way, you can set your markets. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.